I am a young person. I live in a small town. My town is quiet. There are not many things to do. One day, I sit in my room and look at my phone. I see many pictures of California. There are beaches, tall buildings, palm trees, and many people. I like the pictures. I say, I want to go to California. I tell my friend about my idea. He says, that is a good idea. You can have fun and learn new things. I smile and feel excited. I ask myself, where do I want to go in California? What can I do there? I make a list. I want to go to the beach. I want to see the big city. I want to eat new food. I want to take many pictures. I open my laptop. I look for plane tickets. I find a cheap one. I buy it. Now, I have a ticket. I will leave in 5 days. I say, let's get ready. I take out my bag. It is big and blue. I pack my clothes. I pack shirts, pants, and a hat. I pack my camera. I want to take many pictures. I also take a book and my phone charger. I do not forget my toothbrush. I check my list. Everything is ready. I go to the store. I buy a small map and a bottle for water. I also buy snacks. I like cookies and fruit. I think I can eat these on the plane. At home, I put the snacks in my bag. Now my bag is full. At night, I sit with my family. I tell them I will go to California. My sister says, wow, how many days will you stay? I say, 7 days. My parents smile. My mom says, take care and be safe. I feel happy and a little nervous. The next morning, I wake up early. I check my bag again. I eat breakfast. I drink tea. I look at the clock. It is time to go. I say, let's go to the airport. I arrive in California. The sun is bright. The sky is blue. I smile. I feel warm. I see palm trees. There are many cars on the road. The city looks big and busy. I take a bus to the city. I look out the window. I see people walking. I see shops, cafes, and parks. The buildings are tall. Some are very colorful. I say, wow, this city is beautiful. I go to my hotel. The room is small, but clean. There is a bed, a table, and a big window. I put my bag on the bed. I rest for a short time. Then I go outside. I want to see more. I walk in the city. I go to a cafe. I drink coffee. I eat a sandwich. I sit near the window and watch people. Everyone moves fast. I hear music from a store. I feel happy. In the afternoon, I go to the beach. The beach is big. There is white sand. The water is blue. I take off my shoes and walk on the sand. It feels soft. I take many photos. I watch the waves. I see children play. I say, this is nice. I meet a man from another country. He says, hello. I say, hi. Where are you from? He says, I am from Brazil. We talk for a few minutes. He is very kind. I like meeting new people. Later, I eat ice cream. It is sweet and cold. I sit on a bench and look at the sea. I feel calm. I think this is a good day. In the evening, I go back to my hotel. I take a shower. I call my family. I say, California is fun. I like it here. They say, we are happy for you. I smile. I am tired, but I'm also very happy. After 1 week, I go home. I take the bus to the airport. I fly back to my town. The flight is long, but I feel good. I sit near the window. I look at the clouds. I listen to music. I think about my trip. At the airport, I see my family. They wave and smile. I run to them. My mom hugs me. My dad helps me with my bag. My sister asks, "Did you have fun?" I say, "Yes, I had a great time." At home, I sit with my family. I show them my pictures. I show them the beach, the city, the food, and the people. I say, "This is the beach. This is my hotel. This is the ice cream I ate." My family looks at the pictures and smiles. I tell them stories. I say, I met a man from Brazil. He was kind. I saw many places. I ate good food. I walked a lot. I learned new things. My family listens. My mom says, "That sounds amazing." The next day, I write in my notebook. I write about my trip. I write about what I saw, what I did, and what I liked. I want to remember this trip. I feel happy. I feel proud. I went to a new place. I saw new things. I met new people. I say, I will travel again. Where will I go next? It was a good trip. It was a great memory. I will never forget it. Lesson 2. Sam is a young man. He lives in a small town. Today is a sunny day. The sky is blue. There are some white clouds. Sam feels happy, but he is also very hungry. It is 12 o'clock. It is time for lunch. Sam does not cook at home today. He wants to eat outside. He wants something hot and tasty. He thinks, where can I eat? There is a diner near his house. It is a small place, but it is clean and nice. Sam goes to the diner. He walks on the street. He sees trees, cars, and people. Some people ride bikes. Some people walk with dogs. When Sam arrives at the diner, he opens the door. A bell rings. Ding ding. A woman looks at him and smiles. "Hello, welcome to our diner," she says. "Hello," Sam says. "I want to eat lunch." "Great, please sit down," she says. Sam sits at a table. The table is near the window. He can see the street. He can see people walking by. There is music in the diner. It is soft and nice. The woman gives Sam a menu. The menu is simple. There is soup, salad, chicken, rice, bread, and eggs. There are drinks too: water, tea, and juice. "Do you want to look at the menu?" she asks. "Yes, thank," Sam says. He opens the menu. He reads it slowly. "What do I want?" He thinks, do I want soup? No. Do I want salad? Maybe. I want something with rice. He sees chicken and rice. It looks good. There's a picture. The chicken looks hot. The rice looks soft. He thinks, this is perfect. Are you ready to order? The woman asks. Not yet, Sam says. Can I have one more minute? Of course, she says and walks away. Sam looks around the diner. There are 6 tables. How many people are here? There are 4 people. 1 man drinks coffee. 2 women talk. 1 boy eats bread. The place is quiet. Now Sam is ready. He calls the woman. Excuse me, I'm ready to order, he says. She smiles. Great. What do you want? Sam says, I want chicken and rice, please, and a glass of water. Good choice, she says. It will be ready soon. Sam says, thank you. He waits for his food. He looks outside. He sees cars and people. He feels happy. He did not eat breakfast, so now he is very hungry. He thinks, this diner is nice. The people are kind. I will come here again. The woman writes down Sam's order. She says, okay, 1 chicken and rice and 1 glass of water. Then she walks to the kitchen. She tells the cook, 1 chicken and rice for table 3. Sam waits at his table. He looks at the wall. There are pictures of food. He sees a big burger, a bowl of soup, and a glass of orange juice. A few minutes pass. Sam looks at his watch. It is 12:15. He thinks, how long will it take? Did they forget my food? Just then, the woman comes back. She brings the water. Here is your water, she says. Thank you, Sam says. He drinks a little. The water is cold. It feels good. Your food is coming soon, she says. Okay, no problem, Sam says with a smile. While he waits, Sam listens to the music. It is soft jazz. He likes it. He sees the boy at another table. The boy eats slowly and plays with a toy car. Sam thinks, the diner is quiet. I like this place. Then, a man in a white hat comes out from the kitchen. He is the cook. He holds a plate. The woman takes the plate. She walks to Sam's table. Here is your chicken and rice, she says. It looks good, Sam says. Thank you. Do you need anything else? She asks. No, I'm fine, Sam says. The woman walks away. Sam looks at the food. The chicken is hot. The rice is white and soft. There are also some carrots on the plate. Sam picks up his fork. He takes a bite of chicken. It is tasty. He smiles. He says quietly, yes, this is very good. I made a good choice. He takes a bite of rice. Then he drinks more water. He looks outside again. The sky is still blue. The sun is bright. Sam feels happy. He thinks, I will eat slowly. I want to enjoy this. Sam starts to eat. He cuts the chicken with his fork and knife. He takes small bites. The food is hot, so he eats slowly. The rice is soft. The carrots are sweet. He drinks water after every few bites. He looks out the window. There is a red car outside. A woman walks with her dog. Sam smiles. The woman from the diner comes back. She asks, "Is everything okay?" Sam says, "Yes, everything is very good. Thank you." She says, "I'm happy to hear that." Sam eats more. He enjoys the food. He looks at the people in the diner. The man with coffee is reading a book. The boy is now playing with a toy truck. The two women are laughing. Sam finishes his food. He puts down his fork and wipes his mouth. He feels full. He thinks, "This meal was perfect. I feel good now." The woman comes to his table again. She smiles and asks, "Are you ready to pay?" Sam says, "Yes, I am. How much is it?" She says, "It is $7. Sam takes out his wallet. He gives her the money. "Here you go," he says. "Thank you very much," she says. "Would you like a receipt?" "No, thank you," Sam says. "The food was great. I will come back soon." She says, "We will be happy to see you again. Have a nice day." Sam stands up. He waves goodbye. Goodbye. He walks to the door. The bell rings again. Ding, ding. He steps outside. The sun is still shining. The air is warm. Sam walks home slowly. He feels full. He feels happy. He thinks, "Today was a good day. The diner is a nice place. I will tell my friends." Sam walks home with a smile on his face.